Hello friends, today I will discuss about the transport of material in animals. As you know, we take the food for living our life, and when we take the food, then how the food is transported to ourselves. This is the transport of material in animals. If we take the example of unicellular organisms, means those organisms which are made up of by only single cell are called unicellular organisms. Like a simple example is amoeba, unicellular organisms. If we discuss the unicellular organisms, examples as amoeba. In amoeba, there is the this-like structure. This is the nucleus. This is the cytoplasm and have pseudopodia like this structure. So this is the amoeba. How the transport of material takes place in amoeba? Amoeba is a unicellular organism. There is no special type of things develop inside the body. Amoeba transport the food materials throughout the body by a simple process called diffusion. Means in the previous chapter we discussed about this is the food vacuole and food is present here and the absorption takes place. The transport of material in amoeba takes place by diffusion. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the process in which movement of molecules takes place from higher concentration to lower concentration. Means it is the movement of substance from higher concentration to lower concentration. As example, at your home when you burn the incense stick, then the smell of incense stick is moved from that place to another place. आप घर में अगरबत्ती जलाते हैं, उस अगरबत्ती की स्मेल एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पहुंच जाती है. This is simple the process of diffusion. As an example, second example, in your kitchen when some foods are smelling out, then the smell of that food is spread all over the room. This is also by the process of diffusion. So similarly, diffusion is the movement of molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration. By this process, the amoeba transport the food materials inside the body. But if we take the examples of lower animals, means having more than one cell. Lower animals, example like as hydra, a sponge and hydra. Actually, sponge and hydra develop a special type of system by which the transport of material takes place through the body. In the previous diagram, as you see that this is the hydra, this is the body cavity of hydra, this is the mouth, hypostome. In case of lower animals, actually they are live in water and they use the water as a circulatory material. मीन्स वाटर के थ्रू ये अपने सब्सटेंस को, अपने फूड को, ऑक्सीजन को, वेस्ट मटेरियल को, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को अपनी पूरी बॉडी में मूव करवाता है. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम इज नोन एज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. सर्कुलेट मीन्स पूरी बॉडी में सर्कुलेट करना, मूव करना. एंड द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम included in lower organ sponge and hydra through the water. When water enter through this is water enter, and this water brings the nutrient material, food, oxygen goes inside the hydra or sponge and they move the body cavity. This is the body cavity. फिर बॉडी कैविटी में मूव करें. देन आफ्टर द मूवमेंट ऑफ दिस मटेरियल, न्यूट्रिएंट, ऑक्सीजन एक्सेट्रा, दे बैक द वेस्ट मटेरियल एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो दिस इज हेल्पफुल इन द लोअर एनिमल्स. इन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गन देयर इज द diffusion process, but in case of lower animals, sponge and hydra, there is the water is helpful for the circulating the various things. So this type of circulatory system in which body cavity is helpful are called open circulatory system. So let's discuss about the circulatory system. Circulatory system is actually divided into two categories. First one is the open circulatory system. And second is the closed circulatory system. What is open circulatory system? Open circulatory system is that type of circulatory system in which the nutrients, food materials, oxygen are moved inside the body cavity with the help of some fluid. Means those type of circulatory system in which fluid is helpful for brings nutrients, oxygen and expelling of waste material and carbon dioxide is called open circulatory system. But these are present mainly in lower animals as well as invertebrates. What is invertebrates? Invertebrates are those type of organisms having no vertebral column. जिनके पास रीढ़ की हड्डी नहीं है उन्हें हम invertebrates कहते हैं. Invertebrates have no vertebral column. Example: cockroach, Example, cockroach. And invertebrates. So these have open type of circulatory system. Now what is the closed circulatory system? If we take the closed circulatory system, then as an example, human beings. Means human beings have closed type of circulatory system. Listen carefully, what is closed circulatory system? In which the blood is helpful for circulating the substance. Means here blood is responsible for circulating the material. And you know, blood is move in our body in a vessel. Example, artery or vein. Means there is a requirement of vessels, and vessel is of two types. First one is the artery and second one is the vein. And the third most important thing is the heart. And heart is a pumping organ, because the heart pumps the blood in a vessel, and this blood is helpful for moving or circulating all these materials in our body. So what is closed circulatory system? Those circulatory system in which blood vessels and heart is responsible for circulating the substance. Example, vertebrates. Example is human beings. Means which type of circulatory system present in our body? Open type circulatory system or closed type circulatory system? The answer will be closed circulatory system, because we have the blood, and with the help of blood, the nutrients, oxygen, waste material, carbon dioxide circulating in our body. So this type of circulatory system is called closed circulatory system. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video and share this video, and please subscribe my channel who is the one in my channel, and please press the bell notification for new video notification. Thank you.